Good morning, all. It's been a very long time since I did a video educational program. So after a long time, I'm going to restart. Now today, I'm going to tell something about what we call as a salivary glands. A lot of people come to me with the swelling here, known as the paratids, or here the submandibular. One of the main reasons why these swells is yes, it could be infection, but a common cause which many don't realize is not taking enough water. When you don't take enough water, what is going to happen is the glands are not going to secrete. It's going to get stagnation, and stagnation is going to lead what we call as a mucus plugs or over a period of time stone. So what happens when there is going to be a blockage? When there is going to be blockage, when you eat anything sour, you will see the gland swelling or you can even have pain. Now, when that happens, first of all, you have to meet with a good specialist to get it rectified. But there is also something which you can do at home to ease off the swelling, the pain, and the discomfort. So, if you feel that one of the glands is swollen, not the both, one of the glands is swollen, and let's say you're going to meet with the doctor in the evening or something, and the pain is unbearable, what you can do is, I always tell my patients to do three things. One, start taking enough water. Two, cut a piece of lime. Yes, the nimbo. Cut it and squeeze it directly into your mouth. Okay, you just squeeze some 2 or 3 drops. Not more is enough, just 2 or 3 drops is enough. When you squeeze that lime, there is going to be so much of soreness and the glands will be over secreting. I'm sure you experience whenever you're going to take some sour candies or something, you'll find that the saliva is being overproduced. Same thing happens. When that happens, the most important third part is keep your hand like this here. Okay, put it on the gland. Yes, it will be painful. You have to bear the pain and push it towards the mouth like this. You'll have pain, but bear the pain and push it really hard. You will also feel some nasty taste coming into the mouth. That's all because of the stagnation infection coming out. Okay, do like that about 4 to 5 times a day. The stagnation will come down. Once it comes down, you will have very good relief from the pain. But this is not an alternative to medical consultation. Don't just do it because it could be something serious also. So you also meet the doctor, get the treatment. Along with that, do this small trick. Within a day or two, you should be perfectly fine. Okay, so I'll see you next with my another educational video.